Hello there, breathers. It is I, Monster Breath, and welcome to No Man's Sky. As I'm sure most people who play games are, I was very intrigued by this, even though, despite that being the case, still kind of anxious as to whether or not I'd actually buy it. I did end up buying it, and so here we are now. Should be interesting. I did interrogate the guy from EB Games, Captain Awesome, if you're seeing this, just about their returns policy, because I'm not 100% sure I'm really going to love this game. I could, and I hope I do. I hope I do very, very much. I'm right into the whole sci-fi thing. I love the idea of flying around and discovering all these new planets. Quite excited for it, but I just want to see how much there is actually to do. Without further ado, let's get into No Man's Sky. Game installed really quickly. I heard there was only 6 gigs of information. 5 gig minimum, as you can see on the back there. Which is probably out of focus, but you just take my word for it. So everybody's starting planet is different, as I'm sure all of you already know. So this should be quite unique for me. Alright, this is all automated at the moment. I'm not looking myself.
Aerial propulsion jetpack online. Multi-tool aligning laser attachment operational. User initialization sequence complete.
Corrosive planet. Great. So why is it corrosive? Okay, it doesn't tell me. Interact with the ship. I'm pretty sure it's broken. Yeah, open inventory. Oh, didn't read that. Whoa. Oh, my controller sucks. I need carite sheets. And for this, I need lots of stuff. Alright. Let's get out. Oh, my controller's stupid. Okay, so this is a cool way to learn how to play the game. Apparently, I have to change my controller. Well, I'll accept the Atlas's guidance. But I'm changing controller. Oh, this is rubbish. Alright. Let me just pause there. I'm going to... No. There it is. Just a side note, how many people's PlayStation controllers are almost broken from nothing else but use? And I don't even play that much, to be honest. I keep this in the case because I'm scared it's going to break. This is the limited edition Darth Vader controller. It's very nice. But yeah, of the 6 controllers that I know of, I have 3 and my cousin has 3. 3 of them between us don't work properly. It's 50%. It sucks, Sony. It sucks. Alright. This is a very nice controller. I like this controller. Alright. Alright, so this is my mining beam. How do I scan? My scanner's damaged too. Carbon. L3. Alright, well. What I pressed. Alright, and sprint on the other stick. But, ooh. Do I need Iridium? I don't even know. Carbon. Oh, there's lots of carbon. Yes, give me carbon. Oh, yummy, yummy carbon. More carbon. Whoa, whoa. Why? Hey! You're lost. Why? Not yet. Get lost! Oh, you suck. Die. How do you die? I don't care how, just do it. Oh, there's melee. I don't even know the buttons yet and you're killing me. Oh, more carbon. Okay, good, good. What are you? What are you? No! Oh, titanium. I am titanium! No. Oh, more. I'm gonna die. Die a painful and awful death. Oh, this is not a good start. What? Shield down, you don't say. Yes, I'm aware. Okay, one more. Oh, it's... Whoa. Alright. Tough start to life. Okay, I think I got away with that one. Journey milestone accomplished. I just GTA'd that up. I've destroyed more than one sentinel, thank you very much. Yeah. Let's see what happens if I mine straight through the middle. It floats. Torch. Okay, torch. Well, that's interesting. Either the gravity on this planet is weird, or yeah, it just doesn't work that way. Okay. Oh yeah. Alright, so that's up. Life support is, that'll do, 87%. How did I get to... Oh, right, yeah. Craft products in... almost enough iridium. Okay. Okay. It's getting dark. Oh, let's keep going with this. I'm gonna run out of mining beam stuff. What are we up to? Still need more. How do I... multi-tool. Oh yeah, I can fix that. Sweet. Scanners, done. Mining beam. Reloads with carbon. Right. And I need iron for that. Ah! Let's just keep mining. Hi ho, it's off to work we go. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi. Alright, I'll stop. Oh yeah, I've got that going as well. Should really watch that. This is definitely strange. I feel like it should fall over. I can have little weird bits. Alright, how much more do I need? Iridium. Yes. For the starship. Was it pulse engine? Enough. Good. No, I need carrot sheets and zinc. Craft products in inventory slot. Eight. Oh, no, square. Carrot sheet. I need iron for that. Okay, alright. Iron. Where are we going to get iron? Something that looks irony. What are you? You're iron. It's not overheat. And again. And again. Ooh. Alright. Yeah. Oh dear. Alright. Bold. Zinc. Alright. Where can I get me some zinc? Oh, there's a ship up there. Yeah, keep moving. What are you? Carbon. No. Okay, carbon. Yes. Zinc. What are you? No, you're carbon too. Well, carbon, good. Whatever, carbon. Ooh, what are you? Health. My health levels rise. What are you doing? I don't like you. Oh, left me alone. That's good. Plutonium. 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 What do I need again? Zinc. No, that's iron. Do I need iron? No. I need more carrot sheets. Right. So I do need iron. Right. Boom. Your iron too. What was that? What? Go away. I need iron. What looks irony? You're iron. Oh right. Can I fix that? Exosuit. Hazard protection.
Technology recharge.
Beautiful. Alright, let's have a look. No, yep. Another carrot sheet. Yes.
Product constructed.
Go away.
Product constructed. Product constructed. Product constructed.
Alright, good. Zinc. I need zinc. And that's good. Alright. Yep, repair that. Beautiful. Alright. 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 Still need zinc. I can do that.
Technology prepared.
Still need zinc. Where can I find zinc?
Complete.
Something over there. What's this? What is that? Oh, I forgot about that. Alright, I think I can make one.
Product constructed.
That was a phone call I missed on purpose. Alright, I got one. I've got one! What's this?
Toxic protection. Falling.
Alright, go away then. Heading to that. There will be a falling damage in this game. I feel like scan should be on the other one and sprint should be in the other one, because for scanning you got to click in the left stick, which is your movement stick, and for running you got to click in the right stick, which is your aiming stick. I feel like it should be the other way around, as it is in every other video game. But this isn't every other video game. Oh, you're zinc. That's good. Oh no, I can just interact with it. I'm almost there. Good, good, good. Can I get another one of them? Was ist das? Which is German for what is this? It's a waypoint. Oh? That's cool. It's a bit like the Eagle's Nest in Assassin's Creed, which I'm sure everybody knows. It's a bit like that. Oh, advanced life form detected. I want to go there after I fix stuff, which I need more zinc for. Where is the zinc? I could be ready again. I think I can. I think I can. I can. Flora.
Toxic protection. Falling.
I don't know what that gave me. Where was the other plant? Is that ready for me to pick again? I am keen for that advanced life form. Nice. Sprint. No need to make the sound effects, the game does it for me. Which is a bit of a, you know, oversight in games. Go, go, go. Oh, what's this? What's this? No! Alright, what can I drop? No, what can I build first? Is this, is that, is it? Oh yeah. Plutonium. No, we'll leave it alone. I want zinc. What the stuff is that? Oh, zinc. Yes. All right. Now. Repair.
Technology repaired.
Like a boss. Church. Where is plutonium?
Objective complete.
Plutonium. Where is plutonium? What is plutonium?
Toxic protection.
Oh, right. Nag, nag, nag.
Technology recharge.
Where's the ship? Over there. Alright. Ooh, this is fun. Yes. No, it's carbon. I need, what was it? I need plutonium. More carbon. What about you? Bet you carbon. Carbon. Ooh, Well, I don't know how to do that yet. I need plutonium. Where's plutonium? Plutonium. Ooh, animal. Are you dangerous? Ooh, lots of animals. Apparently I can't do that yet. What are you? Plutonium! Is that enough? I think it's enough. That looks good. It looks like a lot. Well, I don't actually know. I did. What? Anyway, I'll leave it there for now, and I'll get back to you on the plutonium situation. Thanks for watching. This has been Monster Breath, and if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button if you want to see more on this and other things, including fantasy football and more gaming stuff. Please subscribe. Thank you again for watching, and Monster Breath is out.